Okay, this is Fire Alarm 101, and some of you have been wondering how the Gentex works, so I'm going to give it some power and then I'll do a test. Green light indicating we have power, and now I'm going to turn it off, turn it to test mode, and then here we go. And that's a quick test of my Gentex. Here, let's see if I can do another one for you. Yeah, oof, that's loud. Turn it back to normal mode. And now I believe it's on normal. So that's basically how the loud Gentex 7052 works. Man, that thing is loud. That's why I put my hand over it. Oh. Updated fire alarm collection. We have my Potter bell, and I'm going to be trying to do tests soon, as soon as I can figure out these wires. The simplex horn strobe on a back box, but nothing mounted to it yet. And then I have the BG12 out, and then I have the simplex